video, you're going to learn how to edit like a pro in Canva, and a lot of things I'm going to show you the basic things that you can do with Canva as to edit your video. And this basic thing is going to be how to trim your video, how to crop your video, how to cut out your video, and also how to add b-rolls in your video. You're welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva as a pro and edit your video, and the basic things you're going to know, you're going to use when you're editing your video. Once you are done, you will know the effects and the basic of using Canva to edit your videos. First of all, you're basically going to need a Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, I have already done a video on how to get a Canva Pro, and the video is in my channel. You can also go and watch it so that you can get access to Canva Pro. Let's go on screen. Let me show you what I'm going to do. This is my Canva page. The first thing is you're going to be if you know you're going to be posting a video on YouTube, you make sure that you click on video of 1920 and then 1080. That is if your video is going to be on YouTube. But if you're going to be posting the video on TikTok, you're going to choose mobile video, which is 1080 and 1920. So I know you can see the difference here. So you can select one of them because they are already sized to fit the page of the two apps. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using this 1920 times 810, and I'm going to open it. Another way you can also create your design is for you to come to create design and open it. Then what you're going to check, run through here, what did you want to create, according to the size of what you want to create, document size, wide, according to the size of what you want to create. If it is a TikTok video, you're definitely going to use this. If it is a YouTube video, you're going to use video. If it's a TikTok video, you're going to be using mobile. You're going to be using 1080 and then times 1920. You can also zoom your page from here, or add your page, or add a new page from here. Then the duration of the video is here. So here, when you cut a video, like now, I'll say split. So once I split it, it automatically turns to a new page. As you can see, it's now a new page, now a new page. That is what it does there. Once you select a clip here, you'll be automatically given an option. You will have a lot of options on how to edit your video. Here, say edit video, say remove background. If I don't want the background of this video, I can as well remove the background. Then highlight, say discover and use the best moment in your video clip effortless. So let's click that and see what is there. So this is it. Let's play it and see. Also, there is option to trim a video. If I want to trim this video now, I can use this to trim it to where I want it, how I want it. Then there is option for a playback, the speed. Do I want it fast? Do I want it slow? How do I want the speed of the video to be? Like as you can see here, it's already on play automatically. That's why anytime you put a video on Canva, it will start to play automatically. Here you have option of adding colors. Here you can have option of adding colors. Which of the color do I want? That is the option of adding background color. Here I have option of animating my video. Of the option I have to animate my video, do I want it to be slack? Let's see. So here I have option of position. If I have a lot of pages, where do I want it to be? And I have option to lock this page, and I have option to increase the volume of the video and also reduce it. So here you have filter where you can choose any type of the color that you want to use on your video. Here you have design. What type of design do you like? Here is other element where you can choose any object that you like to use in editing your video. Here you have text where you can use to type in your letters or your words that you want to use. Here you have brand. This one is where you can fix saying your logo, the information you need, so that anytime you come on Canva, you can be able to just go and click and take it. Here you have upload. Here you want to upload photo. The photo will enter here, and here is upload files. If you open it, you go and take your video. If you want to record this yourself, and as well click here and start recording. Here is option for image. Here is option for videos. When you upload photo, it's going to appear here. When you upload video, it's going to appear here. When you upload audio, it's also going to appear here. Here you have drawing, where you have a pen, a crayon, and a lot of the information. Where you have your mouse click, the color, to change the color of your drawing, to change the thickness of the line that you draw. Here you have option of project. Project is all the whole things that you have done all the time that you have used this Canva to do. You will get all of them here. Then coming down, you have app. App enable you to edit more of your video and make it to come out fine and beautiful. I've done a lot of video on this one. Here we have Magic Media. Magic Media here allows you to edit your video in anyhow you want it to be. You want it to be in landscape, you want to change the video from portrait to landscape, or from square to landscape, or from landscape to portrait. That is the aspect ratio of your video. Here, avatar 5 help you to change your image. It's going to turn to avatar. That is what the avatar 5 does. Here you have the ID and a lot more that is happening in this space that you will need there. This thing open like this because I've already opened a lot of them. So right here you have the option of seeing the time of the video. You also have the option of seeing how to publish this video. When you open it, how do you want to publish the video? Then here you also have the option of share. Share is where you can also download the video after you have finished shooting the video. Here you have the option of positioning your video where you want it to be. Here you have the option of making your video transparent, and so on and so forth. Now that I've gone through the interface of the Canva editor, now is for us to go in and start to edit our video. Have your pen and your paper. Let's start. So here I'm going to be I'm going to now play the video. So from here I can as well crop out. Here I can as well crop if there is a clip space here. So I will keep moving until I get to where I start talking. It's not like where I'm keeping quiet. So now if where I make a mistake is here, what I'm going to do is to right click and click on split page. So as a split, it's going to enable me to move the space. So then what I'm doing again, when I right click, I'm going to split page and then delete this one that I don't like. Right click again and click on delete page. As you can see, it has deleted. So if it is in the middle here that I don't like, I can as well right click it and then split page, then click on delete page, right click again and click on delete page. Clicking on add page is when you want to add a new page, is when you make a video and it was a short video that you made and you have to add it up. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a page and then bring the clip of the video and add that page. That's it. Let's continue. So here I'm going to bring another clip, come to upload, go to video, add another clip to play, then fit it to page. So now that I've shown you how to do the basic cropping and editing, we are going to, and also how to add a new page. I'm going to show you how to add a video. Video is a footage that you add on top or in front of a video. Now that I've shown you how you can cut and crop your video and also add a new page, let me show you how you can add a video. And what is a video? A video is a footage that you add on top of your video or in front of your video. So now let's say I want to add this video. I want to add this
a chibi style girl with dark skin.
Let's say I've added a video on my video, and if I click here and go to position, you see it's not going to move. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and detach the video from the background, as you can see. And I want this video to play in a certain place. What I will do is I will now click on it, then right click, come here, click on show timing, then I'm going to come here, drag this on where I want it to start from the video. So where did I want it to end? So maybe I want it to end here. I'm going to bring it back, then I'm going to bring it close here because this is where I want the video to stop. Let's play it again.
Skin, large expressive eyes, and voluminous curly hair in a high bun, wearing a pink.
So the next thing I will do, I don't really need all the whole of this clip. I just need their mouth and their face when they are talking. So what I will do is I'm going to zoom it to the place that they are talking.
And voluminous curly hair in a high bun, wearing a pink.
So when you quickly make a mistake, you can come here and click on undo and come back here to redo your mistake. On videos, a lot of videos will come out that you will want to use in your clip, like this one. Let's play like this one. Let me delete it. That's what we want to do. Then if I want to add a clip again, I can click on add page, come to the video. Let me say I want to talk about computer. You can type computer, then all of them is going to come out. You can also choose here. So I can use this one. Then come to this place, fit it to page. Or if I don't want everything to be fit to page, I can as well come here and do it. Then take the particular place I like. Take this particular place. Now, just make it to be in 3 seconds. So here, I'm going to just make it to be in 3 seconds so that it will not be boring. So in order to add transition here, Click in between these spaces, then click on add transition. See here, you have a lot of transition to add. Either you use this, or you use slide, or circle wide, color wide, line wide, match and move, flow, stack, then come down, chop, and a lot more of transition that you can use to make your video. So another way you can also, add your page is to go to animate, and here you can use a lot of page animation in this space. You see this one, simple select, but there are a lot of corporate party that you can use to animate your video. These are beautiful. Then scale. You can also scale my video from here. Scale out, scale in. Let's do it here again. Now that I've done all this one, if I want to add a text, I can equally click on this place and choose the heading and choose the text style that I want to use to add on this video. Once you are done, you can then share your video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, share this video for others to see, so that when I post a video, you are going to be notified. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!